So guys, I'll be starting off with my moisturizer, which I've already applied to my face, and I'm just trying to like pat that into my skin. I've already drawn my brows off camera, but if you guys need like a detailed eyebrow tutorial, just put that in the comment section, I'll get right on it. So basically right now all I'm doing is just applying concealer on those 4 main points of my face. As if you guys have been watching my videos, or if you guys have watched some of my old videos, you guys will know that I'm not a foundation person. So yeah, I didn't apply foundation for this video. So basically all I just did was apply concealer, as you guys have seen, and now I'm just going to be blending that off, like buffing that off into my skin, making sure it's all skin like, because that's the goal of today's video. We're trying to like achieve a soft glam look. It's not supposed to be something too, over the top, but something a bit soft and, sexy. So yeah, basically all I'm doing, as you guys are seeing, is, like I said earlier, buffing out my concealer, or buffing in my concealer. Should be in, right? As you can see, I have eye bags under my eyes, so I applied a lot of concealer to be able to cover that up. So if you guys are having the same issues as I am, that is just basically what you just need to do, just cover it up with concealer. And yeah, I'm just basically buffing out the other parts of my face. So the reason why I'm using my finger to like pat that concealer back into my skin, or more into my skin, is because I want it to like have more of like a skin like look, if you get what I mean. Like I want it to like not be too pronounced, like I want it to soak into my skin very well. So that is the reason why I used my finger. I'm just using it to just pat off, because our fingers are very soft. So that is basically all I did there. So right now I'm applying powder to those corners, those places that I've already concealed. I'm applying powder to it. So right now guys, as you guys are seeing, I am just applying powder. That is my shade, the powder in my shade, to those places that are there, that there's no powder or concealer, that is literally nothing there. All I just did was apply my powder to those places and try to like blend it into each other. So right now basically all I'm just doing is contour. I'm basically just contouring my cheekbone, my forehead, and the corners of my nose, just to like make sure our face comes out looking snatched, baby. So that is basically all I'm just doing. And as you can see, I have a huge forehead, so yes, we need a lot of contouring in that part so that it has to like look reduced, baby. So what I did earlier was apply some more powder under my eye, because I was already getting ready to bake my face. Right now I'm just contouring my nose, making sure it looks all snatched, because why not? So right now I'm applying powder to under my cheekbones after I've already contoured it. And yeah, I hope you guys know that this is the processes of makeup. We are trying to bake our face, and I know I look like a donut, but don't worry, this is going to come out awesome, I promise. So right now it's time for eyeshadow. All I'm just doing here is priming my eyeshadow, and I'm just blending that out, because yeah. all I'm doing here is applying eyeshadow to my crease, and I took the shade Raw from my Huda Beauty palette because that is like literally my favorite eyeshadow, and that I felt that is like the best eyeshadow for this look, so I decided to take that and I'm just blending that into my crease. So right now I'm just taking a shimmer shade from my Morphe palette and I'm just putting that in the middle of my eye, just to like give the eye a little pop, to make it like pop out, you know, all those good stuff. And now it's time for eyeliner, baby. So right now basically all I'm just doing is applying eyeliner, and after this I'm going to fix my eyelashes, but I did it off camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got to this level, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that red subscribe button if you're new, and also the notification bell, so as you get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, you guys are seeing that this look is already coming all together and like it's looking so snatched and beautiful. So basically right now all I'm doing is lining my lips, and then I will apply some lipstick, some nude lipstick, but it's from Huda Beauty. You guys already, I'm sure you guys already know that I'm a huge fan of Huda Beauty. I love her so much, and most of my products are from her. So yes, that is basically what I'm going to use, and I'm just applying lipstick. Mamma mia, looking like a snack already. So right now I'm just basically just buffing out all those places that I have, you know, excess powder, and all the places that I've already baked, because that's the term we use in makeup. We're baking our face. Yeah. So basically all I'm just doing is just buffing all those powder, all this excess powder out, and all those good stuff. Right now I'm applying blush to my cheek. I am a huge fan of blush. Like, I love blush so much, like so much, and I also love to apply it on my nose. This is just a weird behavior of mine. I don't know why, I just love to do that a lot. Applying some lip gloss, and yes, all I'm doing right now is applying bronzer. Oh, can you see that? Can you see that? Like, can you guys literally see that? Oh my god, that is so bright, like so bright, like so bright. I love this highlighter so much. Like, this is my favorite highlighter of all time. We are almost done, lovelies. We are almost done. You guys know that she becomes so beautiful. It doesn't take little time. So as you guys can see, oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Gosh, this is beautiful. P.S. I'm the one doing my voiceover by myself. I don't know why I'm actually like shouting, oh my god. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, yo, because I know you guys enjoyed it. Also subscribe, because I love you guys so much.